So this is the Carter Brothers monster truck go-kart that I bought. Supposedly it's an original Bigfoot. I don't like Fords though, so we'll get stickers made. So they look like this. I'm gonna replicate this truck on here. Came with these things, which are kind of rare to find. We got the primal. We got the bed for the old 89 and a roll bar. I've got extra KC lights that I'll throw on this roll bar to make it look the same. And I wonder if I can find matching rims. If not, I'll replace the ones on the 89 and the Carter Brothers. Then we got the new turd right there. 15 Sport. It's a little rusted, but simple work. Gotta get a new floor pan. I'm gonna take the time to throw everything on, see what's missing, see what's there, see what I need. This is just gonna be temporary, and then I'll tear it down and then really detail it. Send the frame off to powder coat, sandblast and powder coat, fix up the body, figure out a wrap or a paint job, and upgrade from a 212 to a 420 or a 670 cc with performance stuff done to it. I got two motors with it. I got that one. And all that shit. So I just picked up the Hemi 420 cc engine for the Carter Brothers go-kart. Like I said, we got the Hemi version with the 19.8 foot-pounds of torque. So it's slightly larger than the non-Hemi. All right, so after calling a couple places, I finally found somebody that's gonna be able to mount the tires and wheels. Well, at least they said they'll take a look at it. So we're gonna load up, swing by, drop them off. Hopefully no more than 2 hours. So here we go. All right, that's what they look like right there. I'll reveal the entire setup after they're mounted. I'll get back to you then. All right, just got back home from mounting the tires. They told me it would take a couple hours, but ended up taking like maybe a half hour, so very happy with that. Nothing sucks more than waiting around for a couple hours. So let's go do the reveal. Oh, there they are. .23 by 10 by 14.